What's up everybody, this is Rahman. I am back with another new tutorial for you. In this tutorial, I will show you that how to create sweet and bokeh effect in photographs. Before we start, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to make sure you get notified when I will upload a new tutorial for you. Okay, I open this photo in Photoshop. First click on this layer and make it copy by pressing Ctrl+J button. Now go to the camera raw filter. I will increase the temperature a little bit. -3 as well. Increase exposure a little bit. Contrast 2. Highlight. Yeah, it's good. Shadows a little bit up. Whites a little bit down and blacks a little bit up. Add some clarity, but don't need to add it too much. And vibrance +5 is good. Now go to the HSL menu, go to the hue. In this hue menu, I will work on red, orange, yellow, green, aqua and blue colors to make a sweet light effect. Now go to the saturation menu. I will increase red, orange, yellow, green, aqua and blue colors a little bit to pop up the colors. Now go to the luminance menu. Look what happens when I'm increasing red color. It's making the orange color more highlight. Now go to the camera calibration tab. In red primary, I will increase hue and saturation a little bit. And in the blue primary, I will down the hue a little bit to get aqua feel for the car light of behind. And I will saturate it to get more saturated aqua feel. Now go to the detail tab. I will add some sharpness. I will use noise reduction because they have some noise in this photo. But don't use it too much because it makes photo sharpless. Now go to the curve tone menu. We want to create a sweet effect, that's why I choose blue color. Add a point here on this graph and drag up this point a little bit, but don't up this too high. Now select a red color and do the same thing like before. Now select a green color, but in this case drag this point a little bit right. Now see the difference. Now see, that was our before photo and this is after, but we are not done the work yet. Now we are going to create a bokeh effect. Go to the file and select file embedded. Select your bokeh image. I will use this image and click place. Select the layer and make it mask and select screen. Select brush tool and select the foreground color black. Now drag the brush over the area where you don't need bokeh effect. Look, it's naturally moving. After removing, we have to merge this photo and the bokeh together. To do that, go to the image and select apply image. Now select merge but don't select invert. Now click OK. Look, we merged this photo together and we got beautiful bokeh effect, but we are not done yet. Now select these two layers and make it group by pressing Ctrl+G button and press Alt, Ctrl, Shift and E buttons together to make that layer what we had worked on this photo from start to now. Now make a blank layer and select gradient tool to create a light fall effect. Now I will choose the orange color. Drag it, select soft light and down its opacity a little bit. Look, we created a beautiful light fall effect. Select these two layers and make a group by pressing Ctrl+G button. And press Alt, Ctrl, Shift and E buttons together to make that layer again. Select that layer and go to the camera raw filter for the last time. Go to the HSL menu, go to the saturation. I will saturate these colors. Go to the effects tab, add some dehaze effect. Yeah, plus 13 is good. Add some vignette effect. Now go to the curve tone menu. We will make a fade effect. Fade effect makes photo more moody and dreamy. Down the points a little bit. Make a point here and drag this point up to make a fade effect. I will change whites and blacks a little bit. Yeah, we are done. Now look, this is a before photo and this is after. We created a sweet and bokeh effect. How sweet is that? If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends and obviously subscribe my channel. This is for today. I am MK Rahman signing out.